Now we will go into use of the infinitive. And we have 5 divisions in that. Use of the infinitive. For the first category we have the infinitive may be used as subject of the verb. And in the second we have the infinitive may be used as object of a transitive verb. And in the third we have the infinitive may be used as a complement of a verb. And the fourth we have the object of a preposition. And finally, the infinitive may be used as an adjective, an adverb or predicate. So we have 5 divisions here. We are talking about use of infinitive. So infinitive may be used as subject of a verb, the object of a transitive verb, and the third complement of a verb, the object of a preposition, and finally it can be used as an adjective, adverb or predicate. So we're going to look at all that. Use of the infinitive. Use of the infinitive. In this we have 5. The infinitive may be used as the infinitive may be the infinitive may be used as infinitive may be used as, told you there are 5 categories. 1, the subject of a verb. The first one, the subject of a verb. It may be used as subject of the verb. For example, to err is human. Example, we have 2 examples here. A, to err is human. Okay, to err is human, to error. And the second example here is to forgive. To forgive. To forgive is human. The forgive is divine. The forgive is divine. To forgive is divine. So, use of infinitive, the infinite may be used as 1, subject of the verb. To err is human. To error, the mistake, it is human. But to forgive, it is divine. So, and in the second category we have, it is used as the object of a transitive verb. The object of a transitive verb. Object of a transitive verb. The second one is the object of a transitive verb. And the examples are A, she likes to play. She likes. She likes, object. She likes what? To play. She likes to play. She loves to draw. He wants to sleep. He wants to dance. Object. Now, object of a transitive verb. He wants. What does he want? He wants to dance. He wants to dance. To dance, to play is the object of a transitive verb. Okay? And the third category. First, subject of a verb, to err, to forgive. Object of a transitive verb. And third one we have complement of a verb. The complement of a verb. Of a verb. The complement of a verb. And here the examples are his greatest desire. His greatest. His greatest desire. Desire is to succeed. His greatest desire is to succeed. B, one more. You have one more example. Her hobby is to paint pots. Her hobby. Her hobby is to paint pots. To paint. To paint. Her hobby is to paint pots. The first you have the subject of a verb. The second you have the object. What does she like to do? Play. Object of a transitive verb. And finally, third we have complement of a verb. His greatest desire. Complement of a verb. Greatest desire is to succeed. Her hobby is to paint. And we have two more categories. So, we are talking about the use of infinitive. The infinitive may be used as the subject of the verb, object of a transitive verb, complement of a verb. And we have two more categories, the use of the infinitive. We are doing the use of the infinitive. First we did the subject of the verb, object of a transitive verb, third, complement of a verb, and fourth category is object of a preposition. The use of the infinitive may be, fourth one, the object of a preposition. The object. The object of a preposition. The object of a fourth category, it can be an object of a preposition, and the example is she had a. She had no choice. She had no choice. She had no choice but to wait. To wait. So these are the examples. Examples of what? Examples of object of a preposition. Now, she had no choice. Preposition. We're talking about preposition. But to wait. In the second example, object of a preposition we have, the show is about, the show is about to begin. About to begin. To begin. The object. So to begin is the object of the preposition but. To wait is the object of the preposition but. And in the last and the fifth category is the infinitive may be used as an adjective, it may be used as an adjective, adverb, or a predicate, predicate. So the infinitive may be used as an adjective, adverb, or predicate. Now here the examples are, I have 3 different examples for you to look at. What are these examples? First one you have is the infinitive is used as an adjective. Food to eat is plenty. Food to eat is plenty. We're talking about adjective. The infinitive to eat may be used as an adjective. Food to eat is plenty. So here it's used as an adjective. And the next example you have here is, he went to see her. He went to see. Here, to see her. So in this sentence, it is used as an adverb. It's used as an adverb. And in the last one, the third example I have here is, these are the building, these are the buildings, buildings to be sold. So here, to be sold. So in this third one, we use it as a predicate. Okay, so we said the infinitive may be used as an adjective, adverb, or predicate in the sentences. Food to eat is plenty. Okay, plenty is, this is an adjective, so to eat is plenty. So in the first sentence, food to eat plenty, it is used as an adjective, to eat. In the second sentence, it is used as an adverb. He went to see her. So to see, we have used as an adverb. In the second sentence, these are the buildings to be sold. So to be sold, we use it as a predicate. So we are talking about the use of infinitive. The use of infinitive can be categorized into 5. The first one is, we said it can be used as the subject of the verb, and the second we learned it can be used as the object of a transitive verb, and in the third we said it can be used as the complement of the verb, and the fourth category is the infinitive can be used as the object of the preposition. And lastly, it can be used as an adjective, adverb, or predicate in the use of sentences. So we have here, food to eat is plenty is an adjective, to eat plenty is used as an adjective. He went to see her is used as an adverb, and finally it is used as a predicate here. These are the buildings to be sold, used as the predicate. And here object of the preposition. She had no choice but to wait. To show, the show is about to begin. So you have the preposition but, about, and so the object. Which is the object? To wait, to begin. So these are the 5 different categories. The use of infinitive we have looked at. Okay?